Continue. Now, what is matter, sir? Definition of matter, characteristics of matter, examples of matter. Okay, how to define is a matter? Anything that occupies some space and has a mass. Anything that occupies some space and has a mass, and it can be judged by or it can be perceived by our physical senses is called matter. Anything that occupies some space and has a mass, it can be judged or perceived by our physical senses like sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of hearing, sense of smell is called matter. Okay, what are the characteristics of matter, sir? What is the definition? Anything that occupies some space and hence mass is called characteristics of matter. First characteristics is volume. What is volume, sir? The matter occupied by some space. The matter occupied by space, the space occupied by the matter is also called volume. The space occupied by a matter is called volume. And second one is mass. The physical quantity full of gravity example for this type of mass, spring balance, etc. or physical balance. Third one is the matter is composed of small particles. Small particles. The smallest tiny particles is called atom. The smallest indivisible or uncuttable, unstructurable, undivisible particles are called atom. Another one is IMF, intermolecular space. Intermolecular force. Intermolecular force means a set of attractive and repulsive forces between the particles of a matter. And IMS, intermolecular space. The gap between particles of a matter or the distance between the particles of a matter is called intermolecular space. Example for matter, so many examples: board, chair, bottle, pen, pencil, Even your own body also made up of particles only. It can be judged by, or it can be perceived by physical senses, like sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of sight. Book, pen, air, water, food. Etc. This is information about definition and as well as a characteristics of matter. Thank you.